Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It's Andrew here from Giordano's Garage, so welcome back. And today I'm going to be working on this Poulan Pro Weedwacker or string trimmer, and it's running very rough when I turn it on. So I'm going to be taking the carburetor off today for you, just so that I'll have a link up in the corner on how to clean one of those for a two-stroke engine for this machine. But let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is, obviously, as always, take the spark plug off the machine so we don't get any spark while we're working with the engine. Then we're gonna come down to the air filter on the right in front of the carburetor here. We're gonna press this orange tab, and so we're gonna pull the cover down. I'm gonna take the air filter off. I'm sorry, I know this angle isn't super great today. Next, we have these two bolts in here, and they are, what are these? 5/32 hex wrench. So we'll put this. This was a side of the road find. My personal weed whacker is one of those electric cobalts. Got it before I became interested in small engines, so this is the first weed whacker I'm working on. And take that out, and we got the other side. Nice and warm today out here in the yard. Sorry, blocking your view. So now we'll take the cover off, and it's really easy to take the carburetor off of this. The only thing you have really to worry about are you have your fuel line down here, so we'll remove that on the carburetor side. When you're taking this off, it's helpful to have needle nose pliers, because what you can do is you just put it on the fuel line and you'll take it off. I'm taking out the entire fuel line on here because it's pretty shot. So as you're taking it out, the other thing if you're removing the whole fuel line, the fuel filter is in there as well. So I used one of these tools right here. It looks like a dental pick, kind of. You fish in there to get the fuel filter out, and then you just pull it off the line very easily, like this. So you'll just pull it off like that, and then you'll just come through and you'll pull the rest of the fuel line out like that. And then there's a gasket as well that you'll need to remove. The last thing you'll want to be aware of is you have the choke cable right there. It comes off very easily, but you just take that off, and that's how you remove the carburetor. So basically what you have is you have these two hex bolts on the front of it, and then you just want to slide off the fuel line and the return line. You can do that with some needle nose pliers, and then you have the throttle cable in the back attached to the machine. And then you just want to remember that you have the gasket in the back of the carburetor that you're going to put on as well. And I'll put a link in the top of the video here for cleaning a two-stroke carburetor, but in most cases it's more cost effective just to get a new one, because the rebuild kits are basically more than a new carburetor. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give the channel a subscribe and the video a like, and then leave any comments down below that you have. If there's any videos that you would like to see, or any general feedback or anything, But I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.